Hi, what's up everyone? This is Joe and welcome to my channel, Motorcycle. Usually when I travel, I don't have an action camera and most of the time I use my mobile phone in taking pictures and taking videos of the places that I've been, and I kinda noticed na kinda shaky ang mga footages, especially when I'm walking and taking some videos. So I decided to buy DJI Osmo Mobile 3 to improve at least my content. I'm not going to do an in-depth review of this gadget or gimbal because there's a lot of them already available on YouTube. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tell you the reason why I bought this gimbal. There you go. So one of the reason I bought this gimbal is sobrang compact niya compared to the gimbals out there. So it's foldable. So sobrang madali lang siya. It is assemble and it can fit smaller bags and wala siyang gumagawa or movable parts. As easy as that. And then to store it, the same thing. And then sobrang bilis niya lang ilagay yung mobile phone on this gimbal. Sobrang bilis lang, as in sobra. Ganyan lang gagawin nyo. So pagka balance na siya, you can unfold it and turn it on. There you go. And then meron siyang trigger here, which is very useful. Um, and meron din siyang, you can set this to landscape or portrait by just clicking some triggers or buttons, just like this. There you go. And then itong trigger na to, it can switch your front camera to main camera by just clicking this trigger when you are shooting. And then it also allows you to lock your focus or lock your gimbal by pressing this and holding just like that. Other features will be time lapse. Meron siyang like you can select places na parang iikot siya and do a time lapse while parang meron siyang track, which is really nice. And another thing is meron din siyang hyperlapse. So these are the reasons or the features that made me decide to purchase this gimbal, and hopefully I can improve my content. And later on I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the shoots or videos that I'm going to take right here in this place. If you're new to this channel and you like travel moto vlogs, please consider liking my channel. I would really appreciate it. You can also comment your questions down below or your suggestions of the places na gusto mo i-feature sa ating channel. Alright guys, so now I mounted my phone on the gimbal. If you notice na uh, pag gumalaw tayo, nakatrack sa atin ang camera, and it's just one of the nice features of this gimbal kasi kahit wala kang cameraman or whatever, kaya mong gawin ng mga ganitong klaseng shots like what I am doing right now, and it's gonna go ahead and follow your movement. There you go. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take some videos of this place.